And one of my projects this month for green living is to improve the efficiency of heating water. And I have just this typical 30-gallon water heater. And I have installed on that, our local power company has a energy saving service where they can, when they have high demands, turn off your water heater and your air conditioning. And that's called their on-call service. And that saves you a few bucks a month because they give you a credit for installing that. As well, I've installed a time clock on my water heater so that I can set the time that I want the water heater to turn on to start heating and to turn off. Because typically you don't need a water heater going 24 hours a day. And this is my standard 30-gallon water heater. And it's wired up into our local power company's little gadget box here that allows them to turn off your water heater and your air conditioning when they have high demand. So that helps them out, and they give everybody a credit that uses this of a few dollars a month. And this is a standard time clock that was just installed last week. It's on the wall opposite the water heater, and what it does is it allows you to set these little timers for whatever time you'd like to turn your water heater on, and then the other one turns it off. So if you expect to do your laundry or take a shower or whatever, between some certain hours, you can just set it for those times. And if you actually wanted to do it for several times a day, you could just have a couple more of these little gadgets here and put them on different other times, so you could have your water heater turning on and off at 2 different times during the day or the night. So it saves a lot of energy, because typically a water heater only takes about 15 or 20 minutes to actually heat up to its full temperature. And so there's no need to keep the thing running 24 hours a day if you're not using your hot water 24 hours a day. So it's a nice little gadget and fairly inexpensive to install, just a standard time clock.